Ladies and gentlemen, I am Mr. I don't give a damn if you're a mister. If you fuck shit up, then I'ma diss your sister. If you fuck up, I'll get in the list, just get so little bit extreme with the theme I never intended to be mean, but I mean pasensya. But your motherfuckers been to offer and just on the winner had the jaw strapped like you're missing mister.
Di ba't sabi mo, ilong ko ay bango, forma ko ay bando, buhok mo